Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are creating a smart object counter using Arduino, an OLED display, and a few more components. This project is perfect for counting items and automating actions when the set point is reached. So without further ado, let's start this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description. The sensor detects passing objects. The OLED display shows the count value, which is PV, and the set value, which is SV. We use 3 buttons: up button to increase the set value, down button to decrease the set value and reset the counter, and the set button to toggle between normal mode and set mode. The relay will turn on when the process value is equal to set value. Now let's see the connections of this project. So these are all the components we're gonna need for this project. First, connect Arduino, then connect a 2-pin terminal block and connect its 1 pin to 5 full pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect the OLED display and connect its VCC pin to 5 full pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground, its SDA pin to A4 pin of Arduino, and its SCL pin to A5 pin of Arduino. Now connect the IR sensor and connect its VCC pin to 5 full pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground, and its out pin to D2 pin of Arduino. Now connect a 1K resistor and connect its 1 pin to D6 pin of Arduino. Now connect a BC547 transistor and connect its pin number 2 to remaining pin of 1K resistor and its pin number 3 to ground. Now connect a 5V relay and connect its 1 coil pin to pin number 1 of the transistor and its other coil pin to 5 full pin of Arduino. Now connect the 1N4148 diode and connect its anode to pin number 1 of the transistor and its cathode to 5 volt supply. Now connect a 2-pin terminal block and connect its 1 pin to normally open terminal of the relay and its other pin to common terminal of the relay. Now connect the push button and connect its 1 pin to pin D3 of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another push button and connect its 1 pin to D4 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another push button and connect its 1 pin to D5 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. So we have completed all the connections. Now let's see the Arduino code. Here's the code that makes everything works. We need to download 2 libraries, Adafruit SSD 1306 and Adafruit GFX library. So this is the code. Now let's upload the code to Arduino and test the project. Long press the set button to enter the set mode. Now with the up and down button, we can change the set value. After choosing the desired set value, long press the set button again. To reset the counter, press the down button. So as you can see, the project is working fine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.